Hello guys, this is a quick video about how to measure a site when satellite imagery or drone picture are not available. I already made videos for those two cases, so this video is when those two cases are not applicable, either because the satellite imagery is too old or because you cannot get a drone picture. So remember, for the satellite imagery you can use Google Earth. For the drone picture you can use ImageMeter. So in this case we're gonna try to do that with your phone, with the land measuring app, or with your watch, Phoenix 8 smartwatch, or any other watch that can measure areas. So let's start first clicking here on the land measuring app, which is the premier choice. In this case I would suggest this is the choice that I recommend everybody to use, because it's very easy to use this app on your phone, and it's actually very cheap. Even the free version will allow you to do many things. The paid version will allow you to use third-party GPS. I have used that option, but I haven't seen that much of an improvement. So in that case, I think just using your phone GPS is more than sufficient. So first thing we do, we're just gonna use the Google Earth, in this case, just as a reference, just to have an idea how much this should measure. So I measure this softball field, and it tells me that it measures approximately 7,000 square meters. So we want to have this as a reference to see how accurate it is, the watch, and how accurate it is your phone using the land measuring app. So 7,000 square meters. So the first thing that we're going to do here, we're going to click on the app at the top, land measuring app. And basically, after you click on the app, the GPS is going to kick in. It's going to take you a bit, and you're going to click the option field to measure areas, and you're going to select also that you're going to do this measurement with GPS. And after that, you just walk around, but I'm going to do this really quick to make it quickly for you. But yeah, after you finish walking around the entire field, I'm just here zooming just to see how accurate my measurement was. As you see here at the back, it was a little bit away, a couple feet or something. So the area that this app is going to measure, in this case, is going to be a little bit smaller than the actual one. So as you see there, it was actually close to 7,000 square meters. It was actually pretty close. So now going with the watch, Phoenix 8, after you select the option for measuring area, all that you do is that you walk with the app, and every time you get to a corner or an important point, you click a button to say, yeah, there is a new point. And again, yeah, you continue doing that all the way until you get to the end, and I'm gonna save you all that. And here you can see the result that is giving me about 7,200 square meters. And then you can also go to the app and get more information. And that pretty much covers everything. Thank you.